Do you want to know how you can log into your Home Depot credit card? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Home Depot credit card. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and in the Google search bar search for Home Depot credit card login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen or the second one. These both are the same, and if it doesn't open, just go ahead and click on the first link. You can see that the login portal is opening up. What you need to do right now is write down your user ID and your password, which is associated with the Home Depot credit card. So go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click sign on. This way you can successfully log into your Home Depot credit card. Now, if you have not registered your credit card, click register your credit card. If you want to reset your password or retrieve your user ID, these are the two links for you. I hope this video about how you can log into your Home Depot credit card was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.